Hey everybody, well it's Tuesday. Today is November 24th. That's Thanksgiving week. So happy Thanksgiving to all of you that may celebrate it. I wanted to do an update. I must say this new algorithm is very slow. So I guess I just have to be patient. But I wanted to check in with you and show you that there might be a couple possibilities for today. First of all, I wanted to go over here and bring over Aussie Kiwi. And as you can see with this trade, I already took profit on one half of the trade. And now I have my stop loss a little bit above break even. And as you can see, the price is inching up there. It's getting very, very close. It's about 18 pips to the profit, in my favor right now. But here's the important thing. When I look at this trade each day, I'm going to check, first of all, my SSL is still showing down. My QQE is still below the 50 mark, and validity I don't care about. But since those two things are still showing a downward trend, I'm going to leave it for now. Well, we'll see. Maybe it'll stop me out. Now I'll just have a little bit of profit, or maybe it'll turn around and go down the other way. So I wanted to show you a couple of other possible trades for today. The first one is British pound yen. Let me bring that over. This one is actually a day 2 on the signal. I had this signal yesterday, as you can see here, the SSL, but unfortunately our volatility was not high enough. It was low. But now today, if we bring up our crosshairs, you can see now it's valid. So that is one possibility, and that's the one candle rule for my C1. The other possibility is Aussie yen. Now this one's really moved a lot, but you can see we have a fresh signal here on our SSL. Our QQE is above the 50, and we do have valid volatility. So I actually think this one is going to be a better choice. I am just going to go ahead and take it. Boom. We'll see how that one goes. There was another one with the yen pair, and that was the CAD yen. However, if you look here down below, I have low volatility. So I think that I will pass on that one. All right, so let's go back and look at our British pound yen. That probably was the next one that is promising. So since I am within my one candle rule, I'm going to take that trade as well. Just to let you see where we are right now, let me lift this up a little bit. So these are the current trades I have open. I have the one here from before, if you remember the Aussie Kiwi. And then these here with the little numbers are the ones I just opened. And they are all, in the hole for now because I have to make up my spread. But that's where we are. But I wanted to also show you the account history since I've started my forward test. That one is the half of the trade that took profit, and these two unfortunately were a stopped out trade. So basically I took two trades. One of them stopped out, one of them hit the first take profit and is now with a break even and the new little ones that I just took. So we will see how I do after this. If I don't see everybody or talk to you, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, then just have a wonderful, wonderful week. And I'll catch you later.